Hello guys, in case your Wi-Fi network disconnects regularly on your Android phone, I'm going to show you how to stop regular disconnection of your Wi-Fi network on your Android phone. Open your phone main settings and search for reset network. Tap reset network and Bluetooth settings, and here you're going to put in your phone password or fingerprint, and then you tap on reset to reset your phone network, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. It's going to take few seconds for the reset to complete. After the reset, go back to the main settings page and connect to the Wi-Fi network you want to connect to. Put in the Wi-Fi password to connect to your Wi-Fi network. After connection to your Wi-Fi network, go to the main settings page again and fix these last settings. Search for developers option. Open developers option. Under the developers option, locate Wi-Fi scan throttling and turn it off. Also locate mobile data always active and turn it off, so that your mobile data will not always be active, because if it's always active it will disconnect the Wi-Fi network. So guys, with this you've totally solved Wi-Fi constant disconnection on your Android phone. But in case it persists, then the issue is from your Wi-Fi router or maybe your MiFi in case you are using a mobile Wi-Fi. Thanks guys for watching. If the video helped you, please support the video with a like and also subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video like this.